Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your JBL Boombox 4 keep disconnecting. So firstly we can perform the soft reset. To perform the soft reset we should turn off and turn on the speaker. At the top of the speaker, at the left side, we have a power button. Single press this button, you will turn off your speaker. Then, single press again, you will turn on it, and the speaker will connect to your phone automatically. But sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that don't want to reconnect automatically. So if you have this problem, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list just tap at your speaker, and then it should reconnect to your phone. Then, if the soft reset didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, you should press and hold at the same time, play pause button on the front side of the speaker, and volume up button for at least 2 seconds. 1, 2. Now you can release your fingers, and then we should reconnect the speaker with the phone. Firstly, let's turn on it. So, single press the power button, the speaker turn on and enter to pairing mode. We know it by Bluetooth button with blinking white. Then go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then click Forget this device button, or you may have Forget device button, or only Forget button, or Unpair, or Remove, or something else. And then Forget device again. And you will remove your speaker. Without it, if you try to reconnect your speaker, on iOS it will ask you to remove the speaker, on Android it will show you connectional trouble. After you remove your speaker, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button if you, let's say, have a Realme, tap at this button. After that, you will see your speaker at the device list, and you need to tap at your speaker. And we just reconnect it with the phone. If you want to reconnect it also with the app, you need to open JBL Portable App and then wait a bit. And as you can see, it automatically reconnects with the application. Now check if the factory reset didn't help you. I have one more solution for you, is to reset Bluetooth settings. The problem is once you did it, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. So, if it's okay for you, let's do this, and firstly I will show you how to reset it on the iPhone, then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have systems that visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. On your iPhone, open Settings, then we should go to the General Settings, click at the General line, right here at the bottom. We have Transfer or Reset iPhone line. Tap at this line, then click Reset, and in this window you need to select Reset Network Settings. Because there is no Reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings, so that's why we click at this button. Then write your password and click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for the iPhone. Now let's move to Android. On Android, open Settings. Then we should go to the system. So you need to scroll down, click at the system line, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android at the bottom, you may have it at the beginning or at the middle, it depends of the phone. So we have reset options. Tap at this line, then you need to select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and click Reset. and again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.